Light that bad boy. Go on. Go on, Dave. David! Fuck's sake, your lighting skills are shit.
It's only bonfire tonight, you know.
Flames come out.
Just light away, lighter.
It's coming, but not tonight. Tip. Mate, you gotta really light that splint. It's proper hard. Oh, says to the Dave is a tank. Dave doesn't feel the cold. Without bailing. Fucking run! Oh, don't run up with the flame then! Bad boy's gonna. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, fucking hell! Ah! I shot myself! Oh my god! Okay. Yeah, no, holy crap! Woo!
No, that was good.
Fuck you, bonfire!